All right, we're working on our exponent unit with multiplication and division. First, we're going to work on our ignite, just a little warm up here. So this will get us back into multiplication, where this is our distributive property. So we would end up with negative 2x minus 10. All right, as a reminder, right, we've solved systems of linear inequalities. Now we're going to talk about polynomials, multiplying with exponents and dividing with exponents. So a polynomial would be an expression of two or more terms that contain powers of the same variables. Monomial is a one-term polynomial. A constant is a number term. With no variables. A term is an expression separated with a plus or minus sign. Quotient is an answer to a division expression. All right, now we're going to use those words here to work out example 1. Determine whether the expression is a monomial. If it is, say yes. So we have a subtraction here. So there's one term, two terms. So this is not a monomial. Why? Because it has two terms. Since it has two terms, then it'd be considered a binomial, just like bicycle, right, the prefix. So this guy has one term. There are 1, 2, 3 factors in the term, but there's only one term. Still one term. There's a top and a bottom, but it's only one term. And same, this is a multiplication. So it has 3 factors. So it is one term. All right. Product of powers. So that means we're going to actually multiply some of these things out. Okay, it gives you the example here where it gives it to you in words. Multiply 2 powers that have the same base. If you have the same base, then you're going to add the exponents. If you don't, then you just write them next to each other. So you have b to the third times b to the fifth, so then they're both base b, so then you can add them up. So for example 2a here, you want to go in numeric order, right? So the numbers are going to go first. So I've got negative 12 here in front, and then there's just a 1 in front there. So I know my number term is going to be negative 12. Then I've got base r and base r. So I know base r is next. Then we said to get the same base, then you're going to add your powers. Okay, if we go numbers first, get negative 6. Then alphabetical order, x is next. We have 2 x's there. And then we have x to the first there. So we have, right, same bases. Then you add up your powers. And then we have y's left over. There's only one factor of y, so then there's nothing to add it up with. All right, numbers first. I've got a 6 and a 5. C's are next, right? C to the first, and then C to the fifth gives me 6 C's, and then D to the 7th. All right, quotient of a power. So now we're going to divide 2 powers that have the same base, then you're going to subtract, right? So if you have 11 on the top and 8 on the bottom, you're going to have a 3. So then you look at your common basis. There are no numbers here in the first one, but we have a to the third on the top and a to the first on the bottom. So it leaves me with a squared, b to the ninth, b to the seventh. Sorry, b to the ninth over b to the second gives me b to the 7 after subtraction. Okay, now this is where you don't want to mess up your numbers here, right? This says 20 divided by 10. That is a 2. Do not subtract those and call that a 10. Next, I have my x's, 7 on the top, 6 on the bottom, so then I have 1 left over. Y's, 12 on the top, 3 on the bottom, so then I have 9 left over. All right, so we can simplify here first, right? If you're going to multiply, we can cross cancel. So I can cancel and cancel. So then I've got x cubed over 4. Now we're done. All right, go ahead and pause the video here so you can do the U-tries and then check your answers when you're done. All right, looking these over here. They want a monomial, so that's one term. This is one term. It has 3 parts, but it's one term. It's not separated by a plus or minus sign. Same with D. There's a minus sign, so I have 1 term, 2 terms. So 2 terms is not a monomial. Number 2 here, 4 and 2 multiply to make an 8. A to the second, A to the 6th, A to the 8th. There's a B there, so I have a B. C to the first, C squared gives me C cubed. Don't forget here, you're dividing. 9 over negative 4 is still 9 over negative 4. There's A to the 4th and A squared, so A squared is on the top. A V as in Victor, there's no V there, so there's no one to cancel it out with. B as in boy in the bottom, B squared stays there, no one there to cancel them out. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much.